This is Shovelhead 8. Welcome to What's Living in My Fridge. So, we're going to open it up and take a look. And we're going to clean out the fridge and check all the stuff that's past and way past the expiry date. And get some bonus points if there's things growing in the dishes, which is quite likely. So anyways, we're going to make different piles as we clean it out and see which one's the biggest. So we'll come back in a minute. And here's our first two drawers cleaned out. The vegetable bin and the fruit bin. So actually these aren't bad except for this salad, which is going out. It's only 10 days overdue, so it'll go in the junk pile. These grapes are Timmy's. They're good. Poor oranges. They got scalped to make orange cranberry cookies, so they'll get cooked, used, but the mandarins don't make the grade, so they're going to go out. So onwards and upwards, I guess. So we got our eggs here. These two are a little bit outdated, but not bad. These two are good enough. The yogurt, this one here is off a couple weeks. Nothing to worry about. Make biscuits. The rest of this stuff actually says pretty good. This stuff, maybe not so much. It looks pretty sad, and it's pretty well outdated, and pretty well this isn't really growing stuff on it, but it's close. And that's why we'll keep the jade. I think this been open in the fridge for 2 years. So, time to go. So anyways, we're going to clean up and put this stuff away and go to the next shelf. Okay, now we're going into a scary one, which is the meat and cheese drawer. So we got a bunch of this mozzarella cheese, which is good till January 29th, 2021. So we're going to be making some pizza. We got some pepperoni to do that with. And it's good till January 21st. So we know what we're eating. And of course, blue ribbon bologna. It's good, we just opened it. Some cheese slices, we know they don't spoil. This is a dry cured sausage we got for Christmas. It's not supposed to have to be refrigerated, so, but it's in the fridge anyways. Anyways, a couple empty plastic bags, and our empty drawer, and now our cheese bars, which May, April. Better if I look in the camera. April, May, July, So anyways, we're not bad. None of that stuff has turned bad. We don't have to throw anything out. So we'll just clean all that up and back at her. The next shelf, which is pickles, condiments, and jams. So, should be some scary stuff here, but we'll see. Okay, that shelf's cleaned out. This is our pickles and condiments and stuff like that, and fake beer. And this is the stuff that's gonna go. Miracle Whip is due last April. So anyways, we'll put this back in the fridge and we'll put this with the rest of the rejects. And on to the milk shelf, or the tall bottle shelf, whatever you want to call it. And that's the last in the fridge part. But then it's the doors. Which will probably be the scariest thing of all. So anyways, we'll be back. And here's our tall shelf cleaned up. Some stuff's going to be moved around. The only thing that's really bad is the ketchup. It was November. But it's all the plain ketchup we have in the house, so guess what? It'll stay till I get to the grocery store. So anyways, we'll be back. Almost done. My batteries are almost done. So anyways, there's that. But there's the doors. So we're going to pull them out and we'll see. I'm actually impressed with myself. With all this stuff. Here's my brother's syrup, table syrup, cornmeal, cornbread mix, bacon fat, cough syrup, bunch of mustards, some barbecue sauce, salad dressings, hot sauces, balsamic vinegar, hamburger relish, some Maggi, hot ketchup, HP sauce, Lee & Perrins A1 sauce, and of course chocolate. And this is the only bunch of rejects that I found. So soy sauce, which is only 4 or 5 years overdue. These wiener wraps are only a few days overdue, so not bad. This sweet chili sauce, we just had it last week, but got no idea of the date. Same as this plum sauce, don't know. This is 6 months overdue, and those are 6 months overdue. And nobody's eating the chocolate stuff anymore, so it's going out. So altogether, not bad. And here we go. One cleaned out fridge. Unfortunately, we didn't find anything growing, so we're not going to collect any bonus points. But oh well, it's just the way it works. So we'll close the door. Here's the stuff that is going out. So, not a lot. And some of it's been there for a while. So anyways, Shovelhead 8, thank you for coming in to see what's growing in your fridge. And clean out your fridge. Show us what you got. So we'll talk to you after.